Welcome at Pizza and More. Once again, we make a nice pizza variation where I think it's absolutely worth to copy it. Yeah, I'm Jürgen and we make this time a Pizza Spinach and Feta. And as you might already think, one of the main roles on this pizza plays the spinaci and also feta. The Italian name of this pizza is Spinaci e Feta, and I said already spinaci, no, I mean spinach, of course. The base for this pizza is, as with so many other pizzas as well, the pizza margherita without basil. Of course, if you want, you can add basil, it doesn't matter, but normally on this pizza it's not required. Yeah, and when we have topped the pizza like a pizza margherita is topped, then we start with the other toppings, with the spinach and then also with the feta cheese. And after baking, we add some toasted pine nuts. I use right now a dough with a pre-dough which was Poolish. The dough had a planned leavening time of 48 hours, but in the meanwhile it was 72 hours or maybe a bit longer. But this is no problem, and the dough has a total hydration of 65%. If you are interested about the recipe of the dough, I will write the recipe of the dough into the video description like in all other videos as well. And now I would say we start with our pizza. I have the dough already on my counter. If the dough is not nice and round, we can make it now round, but only with the fingertips, very gentle, because if we stress the dough, we are not able to stretch the dough anymore. And now we stretch the dough like a Neapolitan pizza needs to be stretched. We press the air from the center towards the crust. This is right now not the final size. The final size will then be stretched on the peel. The first we add is the tomato sauce. So these are San Marzano tomatoes tiered by hand, and per 100 grams of tomatoes, 1 gram of fine sea salt. Then it's time for fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Then we add the mozzarella. I have here buffalo mozzarella. Now we can add the spinach, then some feta cheese. I cut the feta into small cubes. You also could tear it directly over the pizza. And then some fresh garlic, a bit olive oil, and then is the pizza ready for the oven. We put some semolina onto the peel, lift the dough and push the peel under. And as I said, now on the peel it's time to stretch the pizza to its final size. And it's time for the oven. And here comes the pizza spinach and feta already out of the oven. And then I have here, as I said, the pine nuts. They are toasted and I put some of them over the pizza. Yeah, and you saw now it's not really complicated to try different versions or different toppings on a pizza. I think it's absolutely worth to play a bit around with the toppings, having always only ham and mushrooms or only pepperoni or salami is a bit boring with the time, I would say. However, if you want, you can do it. But I think some other tastes, some other variations, also if you serve these variations or these variants to your guests, they will maybe also be happy about it. And this is a bit, it brings some change into the normal pizza world. If you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel, and then we see us also in the next video. Ciao.